So, hey everybody, it's Maria Brophy, and today's video is for you if you're a creative who loves to get your hands into all kinds of things. You like to do murals, paint paintings, you like to do all different themes, you like to sculpt, you have like 20 different passions. And you're wondering, should I have separate websites? Should I have separate Facebook groups? Or should I have a separate Instagram for all these things? And what should I focus on? And et cetera, et cetera, et cetera. This video is for you if these are your questions. And what I'm going to do is I am going to use one of the artists that wrote me a letter. He read my book, Art Money Success. He wrote me an email. I printed it out so I could follow along. And I'm going to click on his website and use him as a uh, case study for what to do and what not to do if you want to sell more art and you have multiple passions. So stick with me. Now, I'm going to start with reading this. It says, Dear Maria, I hope you had a good Thanksgiving. Would you give me advice? I have your book, Art, Money, Success, in both the printed copy and the audio version, and I'm learning a lot from it. I also bought your mural contract and pricing information. So this guy's deep into my materials. He said, I'm looking to join your membership program, but I just went through a divorce and I'm working some things out. So he's talking about my mastermind program. If you're curious, click the link below. So this is I know a lot of you out there are going to be able to relate to what this guy wrote. He said he said, I like doing a lot of creative things, painting murals for kids, sculpture, props for theater and film, illustration, photography, leather work. I am thinking I need to focus on one or two avenues, or at least have a separate website or business card for these things. Could you imagine having like 5 different websites to man? Okay, I got a lot to say about this. I want you to stick with me because even if you're someone who only has 3 passions, as opposed to like the 6 or 7 or 8 that he listed here, you will get a lot out of this video. But let me continue. He said, my current website may be too varied for people to take me seriously. Have a look and let me know what you think. So I'm going to share my screen and I'm going to show you his website. But before I do, I want to just button this up with his final question. Do you think I should make different websites for all these things? Murals, panels, sculptures, etc. And I'm thinking that if worst comes to worst, maybe I can find a cheap place to live, get a trailer. I don't want to read the personal stuff you put in here, so I'm going to skip that for his privacy or whatever. I did tell him I was doing this video. Um, so I'm going to share my screen and I want you to watch along. And some of the suggestions I make will help you, I believe, will help you very much. So let's see. Let me share my screen here. Hopefully y'all can see it. So this is the first thing you see when you get on his website. So when you first land on this website, I'm like, if I didn't know he was an artist, I'd be like, what is this? Is this, and I don't even know what this is, right? Um, so that's the first thing I notice is this is not a good way to start with your website. You want it to be clear what your website is. If somebody has to click to figure out what you're about, that's one click too many is one click too many. So I'm going to click enter. So you have to look for the enter. So like if you click here, it doesn't take you anywhere. You have to click on the enter. Now, I feel like my ADHD brain is about to explode. My brain does not know where to look. Um, there's too many things. We've got illustration, photography, bio, graphic design, murals, leather, props, models, contact. At this point, as a potential customer, I just gave up. And and look, Jay Anthony, don't take this personally. I care about you, and that's why I'm helping you by making this video, and it's going to help other artists too. When somebody lands on your website, you want it to be very clear who you are, what you're about. You want to show your best stuff to keep them engaged. This is not your best stuff. It doesn't keep me engaged, and it's very confusing. But we're going to get to your best stuff because most people won't look for it, but I did. So I went to illustration. Now, this is good stuff. This is good stuff. This is great stuff. Now, if I would have landed on this, I'd be like, whoa, this is a great website. This guy's does some good work. He's got some really fun and funny illustrations. He's got a great sense of humor. He's very eclectic and artistic and so on and so on and so on. So this is great. But then when I clicked on that, it took me back to this. And I'm like, ah, all right. So let's see your murals. And by the way, I'm going to run through this a little bit. And then I'm going to suggest the one thing that's going to make the most money for you that you should focus on. And you should just have one website and one point of focus. Otherwise, if you try to do all this at once, you're going to have to hire about 5 people to help you, and you're not going to make it. You have to focus on one thing and become known for one thing. Now you can do the other stuff for fun. You can do the other things on the side, but have one focus for your business. Otherwise, you will get nowhere and you will not make any money and you will be spinning your wheels for the rest of your life. Now that sounds dramatic, but it's true. It's true. I've been in this business over 25 years. I know what I'm talking about. I've seen it. My husband, Drew Brophy, and I have had to make some really tough choices to hyper focus on things that pay the bills. And for the things that Drew really loves to do that doesn't pay the bills, he does that on the side. It's his hobby. Okay, so here we've got illustration, we've got murals. So now we're looking at murals. And your murals are awesome. So, I could see these in pediatricians' offices and pediatric dentist offices and kids' rooms and nurseries and children's hospitals and all kinds of things. This is great. Murals make money because companies, businesses will pay you to paint a mural. That's something you could focus on. Now let's look at your graphic design. So graphic design also makes money. However, I think your murals are better than your graphic design, A. And B, AI is putting most graphic designers out of business unless you have been, you have a really successful graphic design business already. So in my opinion, just cut the graphic design out and focus on the murals. But let's look at your photography. All right. Photography is great. This is awesome. Now, question for you are if you want to just focus on photography, are you going to commit to that life, that business? And do you live in a place where you could get hired by companies to do photography, or do you want to do it as art? You could. Props. I don't know anything about how to make money with props. I would say this is a side hobby, but I could be wrong. I don't know. I don't know what I don't know. Leather and cloth. That's really, wow. That's kick ass. Okay. Really cool stuff. You could go in this direction, but if you have to go 100% in, you could be the luxury custom leather guy. and charge a lot of money for your cut. But that is, you have to go in 100%. Um, let's look at your bio. Wow, great photo of you. That's cool. You look like a cowboy. Born in Cuba. Love it. Raised in New York, Miami. You get a great background. I would, regardless of what direction you go in, I would constantly tell the story of your background of being Cuban and being raised in New York. And it looks like you have, you did, you were a prop master at Channel 51 on Telemundo Network. You probably have some great stories to tell. Um, there's a lot of things that you can do with your talent and your history and you as a person. You're a cool dude. You look cool. You look like somebody people would want to hang out with. You got a great an interesting background. So here's what I suggest to you. Pick a lane, pick one thing, make it your main focus. Your main focus. Get rid of this page on your website. Get rid of the other one that was on the landing page and go right into whatever it is you're focusing on. If it's illustration, go right into that. If it's murals, go right into that. Let that be your homepage. Now you can have the other stuff on your website, but just make it less prominent. And there is so much more I can talk to you about, but the main thing I want you to do is make a choice. Pick a lane. Decide where you're going. If you don't decide where you're going, you're never going to get there. You're never going to get there. And look, I've had to do that with myself. I can relate to people who have 20 different passions. That's me. I mean, I'm not going to bore you with all my passions, but I have like 10 different things that I love to do, and they're all different. And they all could make money, but not all at the same time. So I focus on my main job, which is selling art and running my art gallery, the Brophy Art Gallery. Then my second main job is that of being an author, writing books, but I'm taking a break from writing books right now. My third main job is my artist mastermind, where I teach artists how to make money with their art. And within the first 3 months of being a member of the Art Money Success Mastermind, you will see massive growth in your art sales, but not just your art sales, in your mental mindset, in your personal life, in your relationships, because the work we do there is deeper than selling art. But you got to check it out. You just got to check it out. Click the link below. Let's see, we have a 7-day free trial. I think we only have it going for another week and then we're cutting it. So get in on that 7-day free trial and um, hit the subscribe button. Let me know in the comments if you could relate to this topic and if anything I said helped you or triggered you, either way. But leave me a comment, leave me a like, and subscribe. Love ya, mean it, and I will see you all in the next one.